Here we have another unboxing video from my favorite toy shop, Game On. So, let's see what they sent to me this time. I'm using my homemade knife. One box of Humorex 12-gram CO2 canisters. Some candy. And voila! Webley Mark 6, the 2.5-inch version, and one more, the police model. Just showing you what's inside. 3-year warranty. User manual. And the revolver. These are 177 caliber. Oh man, that's one tight safety. This is just an unboxing video. I will make full videos of each of them later. Same thing here. And the snub nose. Yes. These are the pellet versions. They are also sold as BB versions, but these are the 4.5mm or 177 caliber pellet version. Yes. Okay. Check out gameon.no about these ear guns. So stay tuned for full reviews. Thank you for watching.